Hello from Freedom Tax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. We wanted to bring you the latest update on the new PPP loan formula that is available for Schedule C filers. So, if you file your business taxes on a Schedule C, meaning you're self employed, independent contractor, sole proprietorship, if you are going to apply for the PPP loan, you are going to be able to get a higher amount because of the new changes on how you calculate the PPP loan. Instead of using line 31 of your Schedule C, which is your net profit, you're now able to use line 7, which is your gross income. But for all of you who already got PPP loan as a Schedule C, unfortunately, you will not be able to apply for the increase. So at least that's what the rule says as of today. Okay, let me show you. Last night, the SBA published this 32-page Interim Final Rule, okay, where it provides details on the new rules regarding the PPP loan program, and it talks about the details on how the new PPP loan formula is going to work for the Schedule C. If you scroll down to page 7 of this 32-page document, which we will provide a link to this document in the description of this video so you can read it, you can clearly read that it says here, a borrower whose PPP loan has already been approved as of the effective date of this rule cannot increase its PPP loan amount based on the new calculation methodology. Okay, so this is kind of bad news for a lot of people who were expecting that if they had received a PPP loan, either PPP1 or PPP2, as under their Schedule C, that they would have been able to apply to get the increase and get the difference. At this time, that is not an option. So the new PPP loan formula is for people, for new PPP loan applicants that file under Schedule C. So if you got PPP1 already as under the Schedule C, you cannot ask for an increase for your PPP1. Now, if you got PPP2 already, you cannot apply for an increase. Now, if you got PPP1 and you're going to file for PPP2, you still have to meet the at least 25% reduction in revenue rule in order to be eligible for PPP2. But if you got PPP1 and you find out that you are eligible for PPP2 and you are going to apply for PPP2 now, you can get PPP2 with the new calculation. If you haven't received a PPP in 2020, if you have never received PPP1 nor 2, and you want to apply for PPP1 now, if you file under a Schedule C, you can use 2019 and 2020 or 2020 Schedule C, and you file now for the PPP, you are going to be able to use the new formula and get a higher PPP loan amount. Now, if you have submitted a PPP loan application with your lender and it has still not been approved, then we suggest that you contact your lender as soon as possible to see if they can make the change in the application before they approve it. Some banks are saying that if you have a pending application with them and you want this new formula to be included in your application, you're going to have to cancel the application you have pending and start a new application. That's good, but then you risk not having your PPP approved on time. Why? Because you have to get a PPP loan approved before March 31st, which a lot of people want that date to be pushed back. But if you read the interim final rule, in those 32 pages, there is a paragraph there that says that apparently the SBA is not changing that March 31st date. So anyway, this is good news for Schedule C filers who have not applied for PPP1 or PPP2 yet. You're going to be able to get more PPP, a higher PPP loan amount, but it's bad news for all the Schedule C filers who already got PPP. They will not be able to get the increase at this time. Maybe in the future, you're going to be able to apply for it, but as of today, the rule says you cannot get the increase. Okay. Anyways, we just wanted to bring you this information. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for supporting our channel. We are doing our best to bring you the latest and most accurate information on these SBA loans. Remember that we are in tax season and we are a full service tax accounting firm. We will be glad to help you in any tax needs you may have. You can call our office at 407-344-1012 or visit our website, freedomtaxfl.com or freedomtaxaccounting.com. All right? Stay safe, everyone. God bless you. Bye-bye.